Welcome to this step-by-step guide on creating a photo gallery for a WordPress website. In this guide, you will learn how to quickly set up an attractive photo gallery that will display your images in an organized and visually appealing format. First, open your internet browser and navigate to the WordPress website. Once the homepage has loaded, locate the login link positioned in the top right corner of the screen. A simple click on this login option will open up the authentication window where you will begin the sign-in process. After clicking on login, you will be presented with an option to continue signing in with your preferred method. To make signing in even easier, select the option that allows you to continue with Google. This method provides a smoother transition as you will be prompted to choose your Google account automatically, ensuring that you quickly gain access to your WordPress dashboard without needing to remember additional login credentials. Once signed in, direct your attention to the quick links section within your dashboard. Within this section, locate the Edit Site option. This is an important step because it takes you directly into the website editing mode where you can start building and modifying your photo gallery. After clicking on Edit Site, look towards the upper left corner of the screen. Here you will notice a plus icon that invites you to add new elements to your web page. A click on this plus icon will open a menu of available features and modules that you can integrate into your site. When the menu appears, type the word gallery into the search field. This will filter the available options so that only modules related to galleries are displayed. As soon as you see the gallery option appear within the selection, click on it to proceed with the gallery configuration process. With the gallery module now selected, focus on uploading the desired images. Find the option that allows you to upload photos directly from your media library and click on it. This step connects your photo storage with the gallery module, making it easy to select the images you wish to feature. Now that your media library is open, you can browse through your uploaded photos and select the ones you would like to add to your new gallery. Carefully choose each photo that best fits the theme or purpose of your gallery. After you have made all of your selections, the next step is to click on the option to create a new gallery. This finalizes your selection and compiles the chosen images into a neat, organized gallery layout. Once you have created the new gallery, the last step in this tutorial is to click on the Insert Gallery option to embed the photo collection into your web page. Following this sequence of actions will add a fully functional and visually appealing photo gallery to your WordPress site. By combining the convenience of Google sign-in with the intuitive design interface of WordPress, you can enjoy displaying your best photos in just a few minutes. This easy guide should help anyone, regardless of experience level, in showcasing photos online in a professional and engaging way. Enjoy the process of building your gallery and making your website a vibrant showcase of your visual content.